In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Squarespace in just 5 minutes. Whether you've changed your mind about your Squarespace website or found another platform better suited to your needs, getting a refund is a straightforward process, provided you follow the steps within the specified time frame. To give you some important context, the refund policy applies to annual plans and requires you to cancel within 14 days of the initial purchase. With that in mind, let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Squarespace website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Squarespace URL. Once the page loads, click on Get Started. This option will guide you through a series of prompts, eventually landing you on your dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially the command center for your Squarespace account, where you can manage all your website settings and billing details. Once you're on the dashboard, the next step is to access your account settings. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see a menu panel. Here, you should click on the Settings option and then select Billing. This section contains all the financial details associated with your Squarespace account, from your payment history to subscription information. In the Billing section, you'll find another option labeled Subscription. Click on it, and here you'll have the opportunity to manage your subscription plan. Since we're focusing on getting a refund, you'll need to cancel your annual paid subscription. Make the selection to cancel, and follow any prompts that appear to finalize this cancellation. If you've completed these steps within the 14-day window of your initial purchase, your refund should be approved without any issues. The refund will usually be processed back to your original payment method. This could be your credit card, debit card, or whichever payment method you initially used. However, keep in mind that if you find yourself outside that 14-day window, or if you run into other complications, you may need to reach out to Squarespace support for further assistance. Moving on, if your refund process included a QR code toggle, perhaps an option within the subscription settings, be sure to switch it on. While this might seem like an extraneous step, it can be an essential part of finalizing certain account features or settings related to your refund. Finally, if applicable, click on Download QR Code. This will ensure you have all necessary details and information documented on your end. And there you have it, your simple and straightforward guide on how to request a refund from Squarespace. Remember, timing is key, so make sure to act promptly to meet that 14-day requirement for a smooth refund process. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or additional support needs you may have.